guys, Martina Britt Yelverton here with Brand Building 2016, social media, education, training, and more. What we're going to cover on today deals with social media in the way of giving you information for, tips, trades, and hacks and tricks that we discussed would come along with information that you begin to receive as we move forward in 2016. Today we're going to cover 10 tips for marketing your business through your Facebook profile. Not your Facebook page, but your Facebook profile. Not sure whether or not you know that there is a difference, and we're going to make sure that we get through that today. What I'm looking to do is, of course, develop you into the professional that others gravitate to. We want them coming to you for their business needs. We want them coming to the resource expert and whatever your particular genre or field of expertise is in. We want them coming to you, and we want to make sure that your brand in print media, web, as well as in social media does it exudes that aura that allows people to come to you and get what they need from you. Okay? I am Martina Britt Yelverton. I am a passionist for all things knowledge and growth. And through this graphics and web design profession, this branding specialty, and me being an online entrepreneur, my job is to excite you, to share with you, to give you those tips, those trades, those tricks that you need to allow people to come to you for what it is that you are well known, best known, that expertise, that field of study that you have, spent time in your personal development, your funds, your education, your training on. We want to make sure that they know to come to you and get that. And one of the most important ways that you can do that is through social media. So what we're going to talk about today is understanding the difference, and there is a great difference, understanding the difference between a Facebook page and a Facebook profile. And what I'm going to talk specifically to you today about is understanding that there are 10 tips for marketing your business through your Facebook profile. And again, yes, there is a difference between the two. Okay, the best way to market your business on Facebook is through a Facebook page that is dedicated to the business. That truly is the best way to do it. However, if you're going to use your personal Facebook profile to do some of your marketing, it really does present a very unique opportunity of its own. First and foremost, you're using your personal profile to build the current personal relationships that you already have, and then you're going to shift those towards building business relationships, okay? What you want to do is make sure that you're smart with your social media. We don't want you trolling and taking, precious time away from building your business or answering the need of a client. We want to make sure that you're taking the time to do what you need to do on social media so that you're being smart, okay? And I like to use the acronym Be Smart with your social media by building relationships, engaging with the consumers, supporting your brand, making new relationships, acting within the plan that you have developed for your business, responding timely to those questions or comments or shares that come through your social media platform, and then taking those contacts and consumers away from social media over to your website. This is called conversion. You want to convert that particular relationship from interaction on a regular social media level into a paying client, a paying consumer. And you do that by taking them away from the social media and bringing them over to your business website. Okay? So first and foremost, the first thing that we're going to do is discuss that you want to let your friends know about your business. Okay? You want to make sure that you're making posts that are specifically focused on the business. Okay? You want to understand that more effectively is to go through a number of posts versus trying to just throw everything in one post and hope that the person actually sits there and takes the time to read everything that you have in that one particular post. It's not gonna, really work effectively. It's more effective to spread that information out over time. In spreading that information out over time, what you're doing is you are allowing repeated exposure. Okay, you're ensuring that the information is quick, that it is detailed, that it is fresh, that it's appealing, that it's getting to their eye gates what needs to be gotten to their eye gates, and you're exposing them to what it is that you're trying to get them to understand, to see, to even purchase, doing it multiple times. What this also does is it increases the number of their friends that may see the post as well, because they may comment, they may share, they may like it, and then a friend will see it. And with that, what's important about taking that, moving over into step number 2, is when a friend of a friend sees a post, they like it, they share it, and then what you want to do is you want to send them a friend request, okay? So when your friends share your post about your business, their friends like or comment on those posts, consider sending that friend of a friend request, because what you've done is you have expanded your friendships now, and when they accept your friend request, you now have another opportunity for your post to be seen regularly, not only by that friend of a friend, but by that friend's friends. Get it? Okay, so another way that you can utilize a tip for how to market your business through your profile is by specifically, setting up your posts using lists. Maybe your mama and them don't need to see all your business posts about something that, number one, they've chosen not to support you in, or something that they've chosen to, use, and they don't need to keep hearing and hearing and hearing about it. Well, you might have friends that are not interested or have not heard anything about the business. You can set them up so that when you send your post out, you can specify your post to go to friends, go to public. Then you can also use a custom feature that allows you to create new lists, and then you can specify your post to the new list, okay? You're available to create a list and adjust what friends you want on those specific lists, okay? And then you're available to send that post out based on that particular content for that particular list. And that means everybody that is your friend doesn't see it. You're sending it out to a specifically marketable group that you think may be interested. And if you don't have a lot of information about how to, set up lists, you can go to this link that's located here. It's on Facebook. They will help you. And you can get the list basics from there. Okay? Number 4 on these 10 tips is allow follows, okay? And by allowing follows, what you are doing is you're keeping your Facebook news feed clutter-free. So a lot of these terms that I may be putting out as your Facebook feed, follows, list, profile, page, access like this can be found in the 2016 brand building webinar for social media, as well as webinar basics, okay? By webinars, I'm referring to, you can go on, you can see how to, do the webinars and understand what those particular acronyms are. You can also watch the social media one that can tell you what those particular acronyms that I'm using are, such as the difference between a page and a profile, the difference between looking at your timeline versus looking at your news feeds. There are 2 different things, okay? But you can follow up with me a little bit later to get a little bit more information on that. But specifically speaking to allowing follows, meaning your news feed shows you everybody's post that is your friend. Or if you have your news feed specified to show you friend of a friend's post, it will do that as well. But guess what? You can have people seeing your post without seeing all of their posts by allowing them to follow you. You can get a little bit more information on that from Facebook as well. Again, they like to help you. You can go to this link here, and then when you allow that, you get to see, they get to see your stuff. You get to see only what you allow in. It keeps your news feed clutter-free, and then it allows that information to go out. So you need to learn the difference between what follows are, what friends are, and what likes are. And like I said, you can get a little bit of that information by signing up for the 2016 brand building social media. Okie dokie. So tip number 5, personal posts can connect to your business. Okay, because your business is a major portion of your life, it's only expected that every now and again the business and the personal, will come together and overlap. We want you to really think about taking advantage every now and again to do some of these steps. You want to include a subtle friend tag about business. If you and your girlfriend are out and about and you're doing some type of walkaway marketing and the two of you are out having a really good time, you can actually use that time to post a pic or something like that, and you're going to tag your friend in it as well. You may be out and about and you may see a competing business that's doing something similar to what you're doing. You want to share a pic about it, share a comment about it on your personal page, and you're doing business, or even a non-competing business that's not doing anything that has anything to do with your business, but you want to support, okay? There's also another option that is available in our Facebook profile that allows us to check into a place. So say you're out having dinner and you love the food that you're having. If you look at the option in your phone under your social media platform of choice, this one is Facebook, what you can do is there's an option to select to check in. You'll locate the address of the place that you're at, and then you may be able to share a personal comment about the food, and mention, oh man, this would be great if we were to do this at, and then name your business, okay? Even yet still, you can check in while you're there at a business event and say, guys, I'm here with my girlfriend such and such, and we're having a really good time. So you're promoting your business, but you're doing it on your profile because you're out having a good time and just living life the way it is. One of the things that is really, really cute, everybody loves positive kid pics. So if your kids work with you in any way, shape, or form in your business, you want to make sure you capture that and put that on your personal profile as well. I guarantee you'll get a lot of really nice comments, okay? Number 6, don't hesitate to create business posts on your personal page, but use the 80-20 rule. 80% of the information should be personal on your personal profile, and 20% of it should be business on your personal profile. You really want to keep a balance. You don't want to lose your friends or, put any type of strain on your relationships because people are no longer following you or you don't see any positive results. And if that's the case, then do something different. You don't want to consistently do something that is not positively bringing you increase. That's the definition of insanity. Okay, you don't want to do something that's going to deter or to deteriorate your business. All right. So number 7, use the obvious or create that which it isn't obvious. What I mean by this is whatever the nature of the post is, if there is any connection to your business, state it. Include the business contact, include the link. Sometimes people will really overlook how to contact you unless you make it plain. Or believe it or not, they will not even realize that this is something they should contact you for. They're so used to seeing whatever your business promotion is that it just doesn't trigger them. Maybe I should go look into this for me. Okay? Some people really don't want you to know that they're interested in what you're doing. Okay? And in that case, you want to make sure that you have your web address there so they can go check out what you're doing on your web address. You want to make sure that if you do have a Facebook page, that you allow them access to go over and have a look at the Facebook page. That is more of an indirect way of allowing them to know that you're in business and then letting them know, obviously, here's my information. Go and look and see if it's something that you need. Versus the indirect way, versus the direct way, is the plain and simple, put your phone number on it and say, call me. Okay? Put your email on it and say, shoot me an email so I can let you know more. We get instantly notifications when texts and messengers come. So those are more direct ways. Whatever works best for you is what you want to do. You want to make sure that you're doing something now that's going to benefit you later. Okay? In the way of using a call to action, what this basically means is you're telling them, I need you to do something. I need some type of response from you. Okay? What this does is this will allow you to strengthen the connection by walking a consumer through your business. You need to make it plain, make it easy. You need to promote to them specifically, then connect with them. You need to link them to your website. Have them sign up, very simple and easy, for whatever your resource is. Make sure that your resource is providing a solution for them. And then when they continue to address you with whatever their concerns are, you respond to that. Okay? And what all that is going to do is that's going to allow them to know what's coming next, what they're supposed to do. And then you're going to tell them each step of the way. Push this button to sign up for this. Push this button to pay for that. That's what a call to action is. All right? However you decide to get the information out there, you want to get what you need from the prospect in order to give them what it is that they need as a solution. Number 9, use images. They do jump out at you online, so use this to your advantage. Images tell the story, so you don't have to, right? Okay, so if you're doing a personal post on your own profile and you happen to be in front of your logo, or you happen to have a form of print media laying around, still you're available to use the image that you have there to invoke a response or to bring, notice to your business. Okay, if you're in your place of business and you happen to take a picture, it's okay to post that as well. If you have customers who are leaving testimonies, you can post those testimonies on your personal profile, because you want to make sure that your friends and even some of your business associates, that they know that you're in business, what you're doing, and use images. Okay, you want to use images of any of your products at your events, any of your community activities. When you're in your own operating atmosphere, your space, you want to have pictures with your staffing to show what the atmosphere and the camaraderie is like. You definitely want to make sure that you have pictures about any specials, any discounts, or any catalog offerings, things that you have going on that allow people to see that now is a great time to do business with you. Okay? And finally, tip number 10. The bottom line is people are just nosy. I mean, bar none. People are nosy. So be excited about your professional accomplishments and share the news. Give them something positive to say. If they're going to be nosy and they're going to troll your timeline or troll your feed or whatever, you want to make sure that you utilize that personal pride, that you took the time and you invested in yourself to be able to do what it is that you did to receive the award or the accolade or the rank advancement, whatever your title is. You want to also make sure that you encourage the use of that you encourage the positive comments that may come from that, and that it'll support your knowledge in your particular business genre is what I'm trying to get to. Your personal communications and your networks, you want to make sure that you share with them and share them. Share what they're doing. Share their accomplishments. Don't just hog all the information and all of the accolades up for yourself and all the positive energy that is going to come. Don't just hold it to yourself. Share with other people. You want to ensure that you're using your profile to not only promote your personal information, that you are using it to promote your business, and that you are sharing the wealth. Okay? I want you to ask me your questions so I can make sure that I'm meeting your need, that I'm providing a solution for whatever, your situation is. And if you have no idea what you're doing, what you want to do, and you need to sit down for a vision consult, you can do that as well. You can email me at martina@familyfirstdesigns.com. So to your success on this journey, and if you have not had a chance, join Martina on this journey.com to grab the $7 30 days, 30 ways to self-improvement ebook, as well as come on over to Learn, Lead, and LevelUp.com, my Facebook community, and join us there so that you can get access to more free resources like this. Again, my name is Martina Britt Yelverton, and I'm interested in sharing with you how I'm making changes to leave a legacy for myself and for those who are to come beyond me. I really am interested in doing everything I can to lead and level up those that are in my circle of influence. Have a great day.